Hello everybody, we're here with Isaac and we are going to show you the Micromachines fire department vehicles and also some of the military vehicles and this fine little city here. Isaac has a whole bunch of Mommy's old Micromachines, and he's a very fortunate little guy to be able to play with them. And how long have you been playing with these, Isaac? Since you were 2 3/4. You used to play with them a lot, and you would line them all up because you loved these little cars. And they're very rare, which makes them super fun to play with. And they're so tiny and cute. That's the fire station. And we have our miniature dog coming in to say hello, Minnie Pooper. To hang out with us. What are you doing, Isaac?
They're putting out the fire.
Watch out, Minnie. Excuse me, Minnie. And that's a really neat fire station because if you put some batteries in it, it lights up.
And we have some other buildings too.
Micromachines were a really big hit in the late 80s, early 90s. And unfortunately, they don't make them anymore. Oh, well, they do actually. They make the Star Wars set.
Yeah,
the little Star Wars.
There's still some on sale, but they're still very expensive.
Not the ones that are like the regular Star Wars that are for sale right now in the regular stores, but if you try to find these, they're much harder to find. But yeah, this is one.
I'm really hoping to get a whole pack of them for my birthday, of course.
Yeah, that we'll have to see about that. It's pretty neat.
Now it's time to get out some. Time to do this.
What have you got there, Isaac?
Monster trucks for
The
these.
monster truck Micromachines.
Uh-huh.
And some of them, I think there's a couple in here that are like that aren't original Micromachines, but these are the monster truck Micromachines.
Uh-huh. That we have. Ow. Walk, walk, walk. Yow.
This one's pretty big, huh? He's like the monster one. You can go over all these other ones. Do you want to tell anybody else anything cool about your Micromachine sets?
We have a whole pile of them. If you want to see another video, if we could do that.
Alright, let's see what we can find the next time we start this next video. Bye!